Okay, so yesterday, as a review, we learned order of operations. In order of operations, we had two techniques, BODMAS and PEMDAS. Okay, so we get to know about PEMDAS. Whoever is joining today, it's okay if you don't understand. These classes are so easy. PEMDAS here is so easy, and BODMAS is so easy. Just it's the way that we solve this mathematical equations. Okay, these are so easy to solve. We just follow the PEMDAS rule over here. So PEMDAS rule, and we solved this mathematics problem. And I gave you a what worksheet to do. You wouldn't say worksheet; it's an assignment. Hmm. So 7 mathematics there. And after that, we get to move on to new class, and it was mean, median, mode, and range. Okay, so we're gonna begin from mean, median, mode, and range. We still have like 16 days before a midterm. You guys have a midterm, remember that? Okay. Mm, so try to do good in that midterm.
Okay, sir.
Where is the mouse pad? Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Hmm.
Do you have my voice?
Do I have your what?
Sir, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, Zakia.
I'm with Benefsha in the same room. She's saying if you send the link and
Oh, Zakia,
she
are
couldn't.
you in team H or team E?
No, sir, I'm in Team H.
Ah, yeah. Then what are you
Just
saying?
I'm in the same room with Benefsha. Benefsha is in, I think she's in H class. E class, yeah.
Yeah, she's in E class. So,
She need the link and she
oh,
didn't receive it, I
oh,
think.
I haven't given the link away yet. That's why the class is in like 1 and 20 minutes, 1 hour and 20 minutes later. Okay, Zakia.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, you don't need to be concerned. I will just send the link in the WhatsApp group of Team E. Thank you for being a student like that. Okay, it's okay. We're in the middle of the class and we're gonna start. Okay, you guys, all of you know about the midterm, right? That you have to attend after February. I think Zakia doesn't know. Zakia, we have 4 chapters. Okay, the first chapter we are in
Yes, sir.
the first chapter was number system. The second chapter,
Okay.
number system, is easy. You can follow up the class tutorial or class lectures that I've been given in the YouTube. It might take a little bit more longer time. You might make mistakes in number system, but it's easy if you give some time to it, like 1 day or 2 days of time. And then order of operation, this is so easy, but people make lots of mistake here. Operations. Hmm. Make sure you guys do the assignment on it. It's super easy. And the third chapter now is mean, median, mode, and range. The fourth chapter I'll tell you after we finish the third chapter. This third chapter is also easy. Just we have to remember what is mean, what is median here, what is mode, and what is range. Shall I give the definition? I don't think you need the definition. We need to know how to solve for now. Okay. So let's say, keep giving me numbers, Fatima. Some number, like the first one, for mean.
Okay, sir. 7,
And which chapter we are in right now?
We are in here, third chapter, mean, median, mode, and range.
7, 9, 3,
7, 9,
9,
3,
3,
hmm,
4, 14,
4, 14,
20,
20,
And 15.
15. Wait,
Is it
wait.
enough?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, enough. Thank you very
Okay,
much.
thank you, sir.
So you see there are 7 numbers. Okay. We are gonna find the mean of the 7 numbers. So Zakia, what is your favorite color?
Sorry, sir, can you repeat again?
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Blue. Okay, we have another blue. Blue. Okay. So we are gonna find the mean of this 7 numbers. How will we do it? We need to make the sum and divide by their numbers. Like 7 plus 9 plus 3 plus 4 plus 14 plus 20 plus 15. And divided by 7. Can someone do it, please? I can do it. I need a calculator as well. I can do it mathematically, but it's gonna take a long time. 7 plus 9 plus 3 plus 4 plus 14.
72.
Plus 72. You're
Sir,
correct.
72.
Yes, yes. I was just still doing the mathematics on the calculator.
Okay.
Okay, 72 divided by 7, we get
10.2.
10.29. Well, like 28, so we make it 10.29.
Yeah.
You can say this approximate, but you don't have to write. You can also write equals to. So we found the mean like this. How will we find the mean? Just add all the numbers and divide them by 7, all their numbers.
Yeah.
Sum divided by their number.
Numbers.
Okay. Or you can say n. Easy,
Yes,
Zakia?
sir.
Yes,
Hmm.
sir.
It's
It's
really easy.
easy.
And then we still take the number. Um, so Maya, what is your favorite color, dear?
It's yellow.
Yellow. Okay, yellow. Let me take a
Yeah.
thicker one. Mhm. So we are gonna arrange these numbers into ascending order. Ascending as in like small to big. Okay. So for what is the smallest number here?
3,
3.
3. 3. And after 3 comes 4.
4,
3,
7,
7, 9,
9, 14,
15 and 20.
14, 15,
15,
20.
20.
Hmm, Thank you. So you see these numbers. So we are in ascending order. So we are gonna find the median. What is the median? Median is in the
9.
middle. Yes,
Yeah.
you have to cut this like this. One, two, one, two, one, two, and you get 9 over here. So median is 9. Okay, in this case, what if there's another number like this? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 14, 15, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now you see 8 numbers. So how will we find? There's no middle point like right this. There you cut this, you cut this, you cut this, you cut this, and then this too. So you see the middle point, you get 6 and 7, right? So How
6.
will you measure the
Yeah.
median? The median is gonna be
6 plus 7.
mhm, divided by 2.
Divided by 2.
Very good. So the answer will be
13 by 2.
13 by 2. Then 6
13
point,
after 2.
6.5.
yeah, 6.5. Okay, easy. This is easy. Okay, okay, let me. So you know how to measure mean and median. 6.5. And now we are gonna know about mode. Okay. Fazila, what is your favorite color?
Yeah, it's black.
It's black.
Yeah.
Okay. So Fazila's favorite color is black. So we are gonna find mean, median, mode. What is mode over here? Okay. Mode is the number that occurs multiple times. Like here you can see 3, 4, 5. Let's just use the same numbers again. 3, 4, 4. This time I used 2, 4, remember. Then 5, 5, 5. Then 6, 7, 14, 15, 20. So you can see there are 3 fives and 2 fours. How, and there are no other numbers that occurs twice. So what will be the mode here? The mode is the number that occurs the most. So 5 occurs there 3 times, right? This is the highest time that 5 occurs. So the mode will be 5. Easy? This is more easier than that, like
Yes,
median,
sir.
and also more easier than mean. But in this median and mode, you have to organize the number into ascending order. Remember to organize the numbers like this, like from small to big or big to small. That way you're gonna have a better understanding in the median and the mode. So that's it about the mode. And the last one is range. We are gonna do some mathematics after we get to know about this four. So Zakia, Fatima, Fazila, Sumaya. Whom did I didn't ask the color from Fatima?
Me and Sumaya.
Sumaya. Okay, Sumaya. Sumaya, what is your favorite color?
I said so. Yellow.
Yellow. Okay. So we are gonna learn now range. So range is quite easy. Range is the negative of the highest, like if you take away the lowest number from the highest number, you get negative. Highest number, negative, lowest number. You get the range. Okay. How will we do it? Like from this number, this is the lowest number here is 3.
3.
Highest number
Highest number is 20.
20. Then the range is 20 minus 3 equals to 17. That's it.
3.
That's it.
17.
That's it. So you see, like this chapter is much easier. So easy chapters, like
Yeah.
so if anybody are having trouble with mathematics, just keep on watching the YouTube video or like solving some mathematical problems from the PDF. I will bring up the PDF now, okay, so that you can have an idea of the book, how it looks like. So some of us don't, some of us provide the soft copy or the PDF, so that you can keep on doing the mathematics in your note copy. Okay, if you do it in the note copy and your practice copy, mm, you will have what better understanding of mathematics, because mathematics is about solving and doing it on your copies, right? So if you don't solve mathematics that much, you will have hard time to solve them in the exam hall. The more you solve them in the copies, the more there's a chance that you're gonna do well in the mathematics. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So where's the PDF? I have to share my whole screen, I guess. New share my screen. I think you can see my screen now. I have to bring up the PDF. Where did I keep it? Was in the downloads. There it is. So this is the book that I have provided to you. So in this, we know about mean, mode, median. Oh, there is no range. Okay. If you don't have range, you just know how to solve range. But in exam, you will have range. Okay. I will give you some
Okay,
worksheet.
sir.
In worksheet that you will have some range over there. You have to solve range as well. Let's see if I can make sidebars. So from the book, if you studied, you get to know about what we taught. From 13.1, there was a table that I haven't provided, I think, and there's this mode. Okay, so that is the definition. Try to remember the definition of okay, there's the mean of set. Okay, so let's start with the definition. I also put it down. You have a lots of time. Remember how many days? 16 days before the midterm. So we're going to take it slow, know about the definitions, know about the mathematics, solve it in your copy. Like how about study for study for 5 hours from now, like do mathematics. Whoever was lagging behind in the classes and didn't get to do much better, you still have the time to get back to the topic. Okay, beep. So the mean, what do we know about the mean? Oh my god, this is so small. Now, so I'm gonna use my favorite color, which is blue. Mean, you put it down in your copy. The
Okay.
mean of a set of scores is the number obtained by adding the scores and dividing the sum by the total number of scores. Total number of scores. So is the definition. What does it mean? What does it mean? What does mean? Okay. The mean of a set, like this is a set. You can say 4, 4, 5, 6, 3, 7, 8. Okay, this is a set of numbers, you can say. The mean of a set of scores is the number obtained by adding the scores. How about you guys added it? 4 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 3 plus 7 plus 8, adding the scores and dividing the sum by the total number of scores. That the total numbers of the scores are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is called the mean. So if in case we move on from this chapter and suddenly someone asks us, what is mean? Like, what do you understand by mean? It doesn't come in your brain. Like, your brain gonna be like, what? Like, you make a mess up with mean, median. I used to make a mess up. Okay. I used to forget what is mean or what was median, what was range. So if you remember the definition, this one, this is a knowledge-based question. The definition or knowledge, you can say, and the how will you do it? Sum by number. If you remember it, you will remember what mean is. So that's why definition is also important for mathematics. This is easy, right? The mean of a set of scores is the number obtained by adding the scores and dividing the sum by the total number of scores. Okay. And
Okay,
then,
sir.
oh, by the way, about your solving mathematics problems in your worksheet as I provided, you can solve them in your copy. Like as I told earlier, some of you don't remember, I think. In your copy, just solve it and take a cam scanner, the app, and scan it. You see this scan with cam scanner? Where is it? Here, this thing. This is an app from the Play Store. Okay. I used it to scan this book pages, so you can scan your own copy and send it in what, the Google Classroom. That will still count. Some of you don't know how to write on PDF. That's why I said it. Okay, maybe solve
Okay,
it with
sir.
your copy. Okay, now we have modes definition. Okay. Oh, there's no median. Where is median? Mean, mode, median. Okay, median is in third. So then we know about mode. What is the score that occurs most often in a distribution is called the mode. The score. Can I use like some text over here? Yes, I still can. Yes, that's much better. Let's increase the heart. Oh, the size of it is not increasing. After I use the pen tablet, there is no option for me to make it large, I guess. Mode, the color is white background. Never mind, I will use that later. Yeah, this is much better. The score that occurs most often in a distribution. Write it down, all of you. Distribution
Okay, sir.
is called the mode. We have a chat. Okay, so Maya, you can leave. Is Somaya still with us? Yeah, you can leave, Somaya, if you have some places to go or to the health center. Yeah, you can go. It's fine. You will have the class lecture uploaded to YouTube. And the score that occurs most often in distribution is called the mode. So what is a distribution? Like before, you can say the distribution is like, mm, here is a frequency table. What does it mean actually? The amount of frequency does it have? Okay, like think about it. It's a graph. Like a graph you put in, like it's quite easy to put graphs, but the problem is to understand what is here and what is here. So here it determines the number that you have put in the distribution, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 numbers, and the frequency means like how many times 1 or 2 was used. By this one you mean that 1 was here only once. Okay, by this you mean there were 2 twos. Okay, so there are gonna be 2 twos, and by this you're gonna mean there are 3 threes, like it's a 3 frequency. So there is 2 more threes. Okay, and by this you mean there are 2 fours and something more than that. Okay, like, oh, you already have a 4, so 2 fours and something more than a 4, but it's not actually. Then 5, you get something 5 and 1 time 5. No, you don't have to write anything. 1.5. So by this histogram, we understand the distribution of these numbers is gonna be like this. Hey, is it hard to understand? I think it is. Like imagine trying to draw this inside the histogram or the graph. What will be the numbers? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the thing, and there's a frequency. Frequency 1, 2, 3. So 1 occurs only one time. So the frequency will be here like this. Then the 2 occurs 1, 2 times. So the frequency will be like this from here, like this. The 3 occurs 2 times, 3 times. The frequency will be from here to here. We did not add the half ones, like we did not add this half ones, right? These half ones are not included here. So the frequency of number 4 will be 2. All right, and the frequency of the number 5 is only one time, so this one. So do you understand the histogram that I just drew?
Yes, sir.
So by this we get to know about the mode. What is the mode? The mode is the score
3.
that occurs most often in a distribution. Yeah, 3. So the mode is 3. I would recommend to all of you to start reading from here to the end of the chapter. Like if you have something to read, like some of you just don't get time to read this examples, just go to the main work problems and the exercises. Well, you can have a lots of time studying mathematics. As I said before, you guys have in this year you have pathways for promise, right? In pathways for promise you have only 2 subjects, right?
Yes, sir.
So easy, maths and English. And in Access Academy, second one will be much more harder. You will have 6 subjects. Okay, so start learning this 2 first, get good at it, so that you don't have to come back to this 2. You will still have mathematics, but the mathematics will be much better, like higher level, pre-calculus. Okay, so these are the ones that are the easy chapters that you're learning in the first year, and for that you have 1 year. Damn, enjoy your life. The first year. The second year, yeah, once you get good at what do you have to do, you have a good team. Like right now, you are team H, right? Once you get to know, like, oh, we are the best, the team H, okay, all of you are working together, then no obstacles can what? Mm, destroy your confidence because all of you will be motivated, all of you will be knowing what to do in future. You have a clear picture, an image of what you have to be and do. So some silly things like, oh, waking up in the morning, I don't feel like doing it. You can tell me, sir, I was feeling like this. Like yesterday, something happened, a girl punched me. Okay, it happens. It happens. So you can come to tell me about that and let me help you with this problems, or let me assign you to a huge team like team H. You guys are group, so you guys solve it together. Stay together. Remember that. Always unity is strength, right? You remember that word? It like there's this quote, unity is strength. STRENGGTH. Okay. Strength. What does it mean? Unity. You guys are united. Team H. So be active in WhatsApp. Keep talking to your friends and let your whereabouts to know. Okay, okay. Like share your whereabouts to other friends. Okay. So remember, you guys are team. So help each other. Never feel bad because you haven't what completed one worksheet. Some students are not completing one worksheet, so they are saying that, like, sometimes they feel demotivated. Okay, why will I complete the next worksheet? Okay, because the first one isn't completed, the second one will be not completed, and I will still lag behind in the third and fourth. It's kind of like a thing that goes inside the brain. Brain is such a mysterious place. Think about the struggle that you have to been through so that you come to AUW, right? It's not that easy admission, was it? You had to know about it on paper. You have to apply for it. You have to get a visa. You have to come to Bangladesh. You have to get to attend these lectures, annoying lectures of math classes. And then one day we get to study and graduate in future. So you have done a lots of struggles. Okay, so this studies isn't struggling, studies are easy, right? And the more you're gonna do mathematics, solve them, the more you're gonna be good at it. Okay, always stay motivated, always help your classmate if she is struggling. Okay, Fatima, Fazila,
Yes,
Suraya,
sir.
Zakia, this
Yeah.
mathematics that I'm taking classes, it's just some classes I have to show you how to solve. Okay, and if you know how to solve, you can solve all the mathematics, right? Take your time,
Okay, sir.
take your time to solve all the mathematics because you have a lots of time, and I do too. I have a lots of time. I just sometimes go to the office and I do something else like study or talk to my friends or communicate with my parents. So I somehow describe my time that way. That way, I don't study that much as you do, but I do a lots of things. So you can say productive, you can say positive, you can say fun things. So you guys do as well. But remember, right now, the important thing is mathematics for you and English. So you do this every day for some hours, mathematics, some hours for English, build up your vocabulary and fill up your notebooks. Okay. With solving mathematics, fill up your notebook, build up your vocabulary, and you're gonna be good at this too. And in future, those subjects that you're gonna learn is not gonna be hard because this university offers a variety of subjects, and those subjects are gonna be in your field in your future. If you see a complete picture, an image, what you're gonna do, you're gonna understand what you have to learn. So the easiest way to be something, like Suraya wants to learn public health, the easiest way for her to be something is to follow a routine of a doctor, maybe, or a nurse. Like what does a doctor have to go through, like to learn their academics? Search on Google, like the academics, you're going to get a list of the things that they have to go through. Some of them go to gynecology, some of them go to medicine, like so hard stuff. And you take it all down to the small level and you get to your level, like English and mathematics, the basic level that they have to know. So after this, there's a more bigger level. After that, there's a huge more level, right? So take your time, do this, like time management, do the time management. Obviously, solve the worksheet, get some good marks. Okay. I say that it doesn't matter for me as a student if you get 50 out of 100 or 100 out of 100. For me, it doesn't matter. But the world sees the things in a different way. So if you are calm and confident about all of your what is capabilities, you don't need to get 100. Once you get to be educated, you don't need 100 out of 100. You just know what to do. But before that, we have to take preparation. The preparation is for your exams. So get good marks. Why would you lend this good marks away just because you can get it for free? This mathematics is easy. This English subject is easy. So let's fight together with other teams. There are other teams like your team H, right? What about A, B, C, D, E, F, G? There are something like that. Okay, there are lots of students. So I want team H and my another team E be number 1 and 2. Who's gonna be number 1 and 2? I don't know. But I want you guys to be the best because you are my students. Okay, so that's why. And I talk a lot, I'm sorry again. So we have median after it. So what color shall I choose? Fatima. Yeah, Fatima gets a turn now. Are you there, Fatima?
Yes, sir.
What color shall I choose?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
What is the color shall I
Read.
choose? Red. Okay. Mm.
Read.
You say read?
Read. Yeah.
Why read? It's red. R-E-D. Red. Red.
No, sir, read.
Okay.
Yeah.
Median. Where is the definition of median? Hey, there it is. If a set of scores is arranged in ascending or descending order, the median is the middle score in the list. Okay, I will define it from here because it's a big one. Try to write it down. Here it says, if a set of scores is arranged in an ascending or descending order, like this. Ascending order is like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It goes from small to the large. It's called the ascending order. Okay. Or the descending order is like this: 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You understand? If a set of scores is arranged in an ascending or descending order, the median is defined as the middle score in the list. There's the middle score in the list. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh no, let's give us another one so that it becomes a middle. There's a middle. So there's a middle point in the list. What is that? it's called number 5. 1 2 3 4 5, and this is the number 5. So the middle score in the list, if the set has an odd number of the scores, or the average half the sum of the two middle scores in the list. If the set has an even number of scores, okay, it says that it can be an odd number, then it can be a median, or if it's an even number, you have to make a like a average of it. Okay, like odd number as in there's a odd number in the middle, there's only one number, and if there were two numbers, even numbers, then you have to make an average. That's what it means in median. So do we understand the definition? Anyone doesn't understand the definition can
اگه
say
تو
me.
پیشی خیلی چیز زدی خب شاخین داشتی که زدی.
She forgot to
Yes, sir, I know.
wait, did you forget to mute your microphone, or you just said it to your friends? Okay. So anyone, did you not understand the definition? I can break it down to you again. Okay, I think you guys got it. Again, I will still do that. The first thing is we have to arrange the scores into ascending or descending order. Ascending order is like this: 1 to 9, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and the descending order is like this: 9 to 1. And then you're gonna get a middle score in the list. The middle score is number 5. That can be called median. Okay, or if you get two set number like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so here you don't have a middle number that is odd, you have even numbers like this. You have even numbers, you cut it, you get two even numbers as a number or average of the half of the sum of the two middle scores, you see. So we gonna do is 4 plus 5, you get 2, and you get what? 9. 9 as in 4.5. So you get middle score. The set has an even number of scores. That means like that. So that is called the median. So the median is to determine the middle point, and if you have two numbers in the middle point, make an average of the two numbers and you get the median. That is the definition. I hope you understand it, all of you. If you still struggle with the definition, you can ask me in the chat or later. Okay. Then work example: find the mean, mode, and median of each of the following sets of the scores. So that's how they did it. Then there's the example. The mean is, I have given you an example the last class, I think this one, and the mean is they just added the first 7 numbers to determine the mean and divided them by the numbers of it. The sum divided by the numbers, and they get 28 divided by 7, and which is called 4. My internet connection is going to explode me. Yeah, it's okay, Fatima. It's okay. You're gonna get the video later, so you watch the part with what you missed. Yeah. The mode is 2. The mode is 2 because you can see 1 2 3 times you get 2. So the mode is gonna be 2. The median is 4. Median is in the middle number. So you cut like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6. You get number 4. So the median is 4. Do we understand? Suraya,
Yes, sir.
you understand mean, mode, and median?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will give you homework today. Okay. Oh, by the way, you guys didn't finish your homework, order of operations. Please finish it. You got like 3 days left. Is it like the homework is getting like too much for you? Let me know if the homework is too much. Too many homeworks? Yes or no?
No, sir, it's okay.
It's okay. Hey, everyone, like only not one person. It has to be a huge vote. Like homework is too much, so that I have to reduce the load.
No, sir, it's okay. So just I think about the homework we missed. What about those homeworks? Should we do it?
Hmm. Zakia, your voice cut out a little bit. I didn't understand, but I'd say, is it a yes or a no? Homework is too much. Yes or no? Tell me.
Sir, no, it's okay, sir. It's not too much, but just I am thinking about those homeworks that we missed. Should we
Hmm.
do it?
Yeah, you have to do all the homework, the one that in classroom, okay? And yeah, remember not to do all the homeworks if you cannot, if you don't have time. Remember to submit it. Submit it before the end of this month. So I have a date for you to submit. Remember to submit it. If you cannot submit it full, it's okay. Submit it half. Okay? Remember to submit your homework, because the submission is important for me, and I will give you a marks on based on that. And you don't have to get like in the
Okay.
beginning 100 out of 100 of every worksheet. Be be chilled. If you study, remember to solve the mathematics, okay? Remember to solve the worksheet and the assignment, but submit it. Submission here is important here. Not this 100 out of 100. So some of you cannot submit it because there are way too much worksheets that is pending for now, I think. So remember to do it. Like if you can do it 10, do 10 and submit it. Okay. And this mathematics are easy, but the assignments take a lot of time to do. So remember to do the assignments. And I have 8 chat in the chat. Okay, I don't have to read it because that I don't understand. Okay, so the next B is we try to do this one on our own. I think we did it yesterday. Suraya, what color shall I pick?
Blue, sir.
Blue. Okay. Okay. Let me blue. So worked. This is worked example. Example 1B. We did it yesterday, I think. 2, 6, 5, 5, 4, 2, 1, 2, 3, 5. 2, 6, 5, 5, 4, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 5. Okay. So what we have to do is determine the mean. Mean 2 plus 6 plus 5 plus 5 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5. 2, 6, 5, 5, 4, 2, 1, 2, 3, 5. Yes. Divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 numbers. Okay. What will be the answer? I have to put it in the calculator.
33.
No,
33 by 10.
33 by 10. Thank
10.
you. So you get 3.3, the mean. Right. And then we have to determine what the mode is or median is. We can determine like going like mean mode because it's determined like the example says find the mode and median. So you have to remember to read the what question first. So if you want to determine median first, it's okay. Like, oh, you can determine median, but the question says the mode to determine first. Okay, remember to slowly read the question in the beginning. We won't go for our mathematics, like, oh, in our mental mathematics we have like lots of things determined already. So we were not gonna do it in the beginning, and we're not gonna rush. You're gonna have a lots of time to solve mathematics. I will talk about it later. Okay, never mind. This is not the thing. So, so the mode will be. Tell me what is the mode. Anyone?
Yes, sir.
What is the mode here?
The mode here is, you're gonna just see 255. There's 5.
It's 5.
Yes.
Okay. So what we have to do is first of all arrange the numbers in ascending order. So arranging the numbers into in ascending order. Okay. You get the first number, the smallest one is 1, then 2. How many 2s are there? 1, 2, 3. Okay. If you do something like mark it on your copy or in your exam hall, make sure you use pencil. Okay. You write these things in pen, but the pencil can be erased, right? The markings of the pencil can be erased. So if you do this type of things on your copy, make sure you use pencil, because it doesn't look fair if you do it by pen. So I remove this with an eraser later, right? Sometimes I don't remember to remove this, but remember to make your exam papers as clean as possible. 2, 2, 2. We have 2, 3 2s. We have 3 5s, right? Oh, you see, there we have 3 5s, and then 3 1 3, then 1 4.
In 3 5.
3 5s
In 1 6.
and 1 6. Let's see, 1 2 2 2 2 2 2, then 3, then 4, then 3 5s, then 1 6. How will we solve it? Oh yeah, I don't know. I got confused. Oh, you see, no, there's the mode. Where's the mode? Oh, the modes are 2 and 5, both of them. So the modes are 2 and 5. Understand? Some of us could say the mode is 2,
Yes, sir.
and some of us could say the mode is 5. Both of them are the modes. Remember.
Yes.
So you see, like, I didn't do the work example before. So could I solve it? I could not. So you have to understand the value of solving the books or the mathematics from the worksheet or assignments. Then you're gonna get to know a lot of your weak points. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And remember, you can make a lots of mistakes in the beginning. It doesn't matter if you make mistakes. In the end, it doesn't matter. There's this song, but make sure to do mistakes and learn from the mistakes. Okay. Learn from it. Don't keep on making the same mistakes over and over again, because you're going to get less marks then. And then we have to determine what the median is. If we arrange the numbers like we did here, like ascending order, you can cut it like this. With this yellow, we cut it 1 1 2 2, like this, 2 5 2 5. So the median is gonna be quite easy. The median is 3 plus 4 divided by 2, 7 by 2, 3.5. right?
5.
Easy.
Yes, sir.
3.5. Then there's this worked example too. We are gonna solve like this. Oh, what is it? There's the histogram that we have to make out of it. Okay, we will try to study it from here. Let's see. What did they do? Do you see the whole picture? Like the left side that I have enlarged the book picture right now, the one that I'm drawing on picture, because I'm not sure if I'm sharing only
Yes,
one
sir.
screen. Okay, the whole screen then it is. Draw a histogram for the data. You can see there are number of boys, the number of points scored. Okay, so you can draw a histogram following a frequency table. Okay, so how do the histogram is drawn? Frequency and the points scored. So the points scored is in the last one. They this is a x and y axis, you can say. This is x axis and this is y axis. You know how to draw this, right? You just have to take a ruler and you have to draw it in a graph paper. So the number of point scores from the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you put it like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the number of boys that scored, it's called the frequency. Frequency is like the amount of thing that happened there. Okay, like, so the frequency is from 0 to 5. You can say also the number of boys. They say it frequency. You can also say the number of boys. It's the point scored. And 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are the highest peak point is the number 5 and the lowest point is 0. So you put it like this. So how the histogram was drawn? Like it. So from 1, you can see 1 went to 2. So you see, like 1 here went to 2. Wait, yeah. And the frequency from 2 becomes 4, right? Like 2 is in this area and the 4 is in this area. So you get a point on graph this and you add up to here till here. And then in the third one, you get 3 again, and the third one's frequency is number 5. So you get a point over here. Like from here, you add it 3 and 5 and you get a point on here. So you draw the scale till 4 and 2 like this. And that's how the histogram is drawn. And number 4, you get the frequency is 2 second till this point. And number 5, you get number 3, you add it in this point, you draw with your scale again. And 6 is 0. So you get this 2. So you see, that's how a histogram is drawn. This is called histogram. Will we remember? This is called histogram. This is something that you can see in the cricket matches. Does anyone watch cricket here?
No, sir.
Afghanistan.
No, sir.
You guys just said no. How do you know? Like, Fatima knows about it. Oh, Fatima and Suraya, you guys are only left here. Where are other students? They left.
Yes.
They scared, sir.
They.
They're scared?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Why?
I don't know. You can check the chat box.
I can check the chat box, but I don't understand it. Okay. Oh, sir, we send Persian messages in chat box. Please don't mind all of the assignments and me that my also. Yeah, I understand. If you make fun, it's all right. I understand that. Either,
Okay, sir. Thank you.
So the I hope they watch the YouTube videos and they solve the assignments. Okay, because I don't want you guys to lag behind. I want all of you to get 100 out of 100. Want that as a what is it called? My goal. Your goal is to get your goal is to get 100 out of 100, right? My goal is to get 100 out of 100 times 18. You guys 18 in the team H, right? So my goal is to get 100 out of 100 for 18 students. So the histogram here is like this. What is the mode of the distribution? 3 is the mode of the distribution. As you can see, number 3, its frequency is the highest, right? That's why 3
Yes.
is the mode of the distribution. And the median, what did we have in the
Again,
median?
3.
Again, like how did we find the median? Like let me erase it first. Where's the eraser? Yeah. Hmm. So how do we measure the median? We just write it down, draw it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we draw it like this and we cut it. Wait, right? That is the way. And 3 is the median of the distribution. Wait, from this or that? If I write it from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. So it's the middle point. As you can see from here to here, this is
Yes.
called the middle point. So that's why they deducted number 6 and you cut it like this and you get number 3. It's the median of the distribution. Okay, wait, let me erase it. As you can see, I'm a little bit confused. So you guys will get confused as well doing this mathematics. So make understanding out of it. And remember to solve a lots of problems so that you don't get confused. Okay?
Okay, sir.
So the total number of the boys who played the games, okay, the total, how many boys played the games? Just add the whole numbers, then add the whole numbers and you get 16. The mean of the distribution is just like adding the whole numbers. Here, there you can see the number of boys, that means like this. Oh, okay, I have an idea of what happened, what might have happened here. But okay, never mind. I will understand it later. So you can see the point scored is 1 twice. So the number of 1 will be twice. The 2 will be 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? The 3 will be 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 4 will be 2 times. 1, 2. The 5 will be 3 times. And the 6 will be 0 times. So 6 doesn't have any frequency. Understand? So the mean of the distribution is like you add it all and you divide it by 16. Like you get 16 numbers from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. You see? You get 16 numbers and you add it all and you divide it by 16. And somehow I think the median was determined this way. Like if I deduct this, this. Yeah, I think, yeah, the median was determined this way. Understand? You can use this histogram to add
Yes,
and
sir.
find the middle point, which is gonna be number 3, or you can add it like this, like draw all the numbers that you get from the frequency table and you start cutting and you get 2 points and you add it and you find the median, right? And the number of boys, we had a problem over here, that's why I'm kind of like explaining it a lot. Okay, the mean of the distribution is 3. You just add it and you divide it by 16, you get number 3. And for C, okay, this is the thing. Oh, the thing that they told. I haven't seen this. I did the same problem, made it. So that's the average that they found. Okay. So do you understand this worked example too? So if you get to know about all the worked examples, like 1, 2, and then you can solve this questions. We can solve it, right? Try to solve it. Maybe I will give the worksheets from here, assignment from here. That way you get to solve the book problems and also here. So that's all time we had for today. And there is no students that joined in the middle, right? That I have to give attendance to. Stop the share, stop the recording.
Yes, sir.
Mm.